Good morning, children. Today we are going to study about the chapter that is microorganism, friend and foe. After completing this chapter, we will be able to understand about its introductory part, where does it live, then microorganism and us, its harmful microorganism, disease caused by microbes, food preservation and nitrogen fixation. Organism which cannot be seen with naked eyes is known as microorganisms. Microorganisms are divided into four major groups, that is bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa. Viruses are also considered as microorganism, but they grow inside host. Host may be plant cell or animal cell. Bacteria may be spiral, rod shaped or sometimes round in shape. Fungi are non-green plant that derive their nutrition from dead matters. Algae are most aquatic and can be found in aquatic or wet places. Now, types of microorganism. There are basically four different types of microorganism: bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa. In bacteria, here it is not written, but I am telling you, in bacteria basically there are so many different types of bacteria, that is lactobacillus, streptococcus. As you can see here, fungi, red mold, penicillin. In algae, chlamydomonas, spirogyra. Protozoans like amoeba and paramecium. Here you can see the structure of bacteria. Then after algae, here also paramecium, penicillium, fungus. These all are the types and types of different kind of microorganisms. See, then after, where do microorganisms live? Microorganism may be single celled like bacteria, some algae and protozoa, or sometimes multicellular such as algae and fungi. It means it can be made up of only one cell sometimes, and sometimes with multi cells. They can survive under all types of environment, ranging from ice cold climate to hot springs and deserts to marshy lands. They are also found inside the bodies of animals including humans. Some microorganisms grow on other organisms while others exist freely. Microorganisms like amoeba can live alone, while fungi and bacteria may be live in colonies. Sometimes we will see microorganisms in colonies. Okay. See, microorganism and us. We can see there are various uses of different kind of microbes in our daily life. Here we can see the making of curd and bread. The bacterium that is known as the lactobacillus reproduces in milk and converts the sugar lactose found in milk to lactic acid, thus forming the curd. Its commercial uses is: microorganisms are used in large scale production of alcohol, wine and acetic acid, that is vinegar. We also called acetic acid vinegar. Medicinal uses, there are so many antibiotics, capsules, injection are made up of microbes. These all are the examples of different kind of antibiotics such as streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin. These all are the different kind of antibiotic. Including these, we also used microorganism for production of vaccine, increasing soil fertility, commensals, cleaning the environment. Then it's having some harmful effect also. So diseases causing microorganism are called pathogens. It can enter our body either through air we breathe or through the water we drink. It can also be spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food. These all are some communicable diseases, that is called common cold, for example common cold or viral fever. Anthrax is a dangerous human and cattle disease caused by Bacillus anthracis. Diseases caused by microbes. Several microorganisms called in plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, etc. Rust of wheat is caused by a fungus. Yellow vein mosaic of lady's finger is caused by virus. Food poisoning is caused due to consumption of food spoiled by some microorganisms. In food preservation also we use we use so many different method of food preservation, so that we can preserve food or we can stop the spoiling the food from microbes. There are so many different types. For example, common salt preservative, sugar as preservative, oil and vinegar as preservatives, heat and cold treatment, storage and packing, and finally canning. Then after, the most important about the friendly, we can say how microorganism helps to clean the environment, that is nitrogen fixation. Here this is the diagram of nitrogen fixation, in which we can see that here when plants require nitrogen, not directly, it does not consume directly atmospheric nitrogen directly. Okay, so here we can see when animal it decomposes, such as aerobic and anaerobic fungi or bacteria, in presence of these bacteria, its excretory product will decompose in presence of aerobic and anaerobic bacteria, and then after it forms ammonia. After nitrification, ammonia is converted into nitrites. Then after, again nitrifying bacteria converts this nitrites into nitrates, and then after finally denitrifying bacteria again converts this into nitrogen, and this nitrates can be again utilized by the plant. So these all are the process of nitrogen fixation. Okay, so thank you student. These all were all about the microorganism. Okay, thank you.